Okay, hey guys, the Game Leader here and welcome back to another unboxing video. Today's unboxing video is going to be regarding this wireless charging transmitter for my iPhone 10 or X, whatever you want to call it. But before I even start up the unboxing, guys, please take a moment to look at this really quick video. Make sure that you hit that like button, also please subscribe and press the bell button so you guys can receive emails and notifications when I upload any video. Okay, hey guys, and welcome back. Thank you guys for watching that really quick video. So without further ado, let's start with the unboxing of this. As you guys can see, wireless charging transmitter right there in front of the box. 1 to 2 on corresponding areas, QI standing WPC. What does that mean is you can charge up to 2 mobiles at the same time, because you have 2 platforms over there. But before you buy this only is compatible with the iPhone 8, the X and Samsung devices. You will have the link in the description. I bought this from ebay.co.uk. I will leave the link down in the description. So that is the front of the box. Take a look at the back of it. You have 1 to 2, same thing as the front. And take a look at the product specifications. Let me focus on this. Input is to 5 volts to 3 amps, output 5 volts to 1 amp, transmission distinction less than 6 mm, and charge efficiency by 70%. Good. Take a look at the other side. You have the standard accessories. Let me focus. 1 to 2 wireless charger, you have only one of that. You have the USB charging cable, the user manual and an AC adapter, which is pretty good. I do recommend you buy these stuff which are directly plugged in to the wall brick. So without further ado, let's open this up. Let me zoom out a little bit so you guys can see much better. There you go. Pull this out. Put this to the side, and there you have it. Here is the normal AC adapter. Put this to the side, and this is the charging itself. Here you have the manual. Put that to the side, put this to the side, and let's take a look at this itself. Remove the plastic, and there you have it. Let me focus on this one. There you go. Eton and Eton wireless charger. So these 2 circles are pretty much the basis where you put your phone. Take a look at the back. Probably these are where the fan. Here are some fans, I guess. I don't know. The non-slippery, which is pretty good. And here is where the other end of the pin goes inside. I think the camera won't focus on this part. Okay, it focused. Alright. So let me clean this up, guys, and pause the video, and I will show you a demonstration on how this thing works. So I'm going to turn this on for the first time. Turn that on. As you guys can see, if you noticed, 2 blue LEDs over here just lit up. And here is my iPhone. As you guys can see. Let me unblock it. There you go. And I'm going to simply place it on one of them. There you go. It is charging. As you guys can see, here is a blue LED. If you guys notice, that means the phone is charging. I believe when the phone is done charging, it turns green, or it means that this one is active. I don't know. So let me lock the screen so you guys can see better when it is charging. Okay, so let me place it. And there you go. It is charging. Put this on the other one. There you go. It is charging. So let me zoom a little bit so probably you guys can see much better what is going on. Let me pull this up. Let me place it again, And there you go, it is charging. Let me arrange a little bit my tripod elevation so you guys can see much better. Let me arrange it. Alright, there we go. Lift this up. And even from the case, guys, if you notice, I am using a case. It is still working. Place this on. There you go. Let the camera focus again. Remove it. Place it. And there you go. Charged. So you simply close that one and leave the mobile charge wirelessly. So I hope you guys enjoyed. That was pretty much the unboxing of the wireless charger for the iPhone 8X or Samsung. I'm using it for my for my iPhone X. Hope you guys enjoyed. The Game Leader here. Please like and subscribe, it really means a lot to me. See you guys in my other unboxing videos. Bye bye for now.